Hello guys. It rained a little bit today, so I can't do a whole lot of panhandling. Uh, I tried a little bit earlier and it got soaked. Finally got dried back off, and that's the way it goes. Some days you win, some days you lose. But that's the way life is anyway. You win, you lose. But you know what? It's so fun to live it. I had a good friend die yesterday, right outside my tent. Somebody shot him to death. Horrible way. Ended up with a bullet hole through my tent, but hey, how can I live? I got it patched up, fixed up. It's just a horrible thing to think that somebody would hate another so bad they would do something like that. This is not a good life, but it's a life. I feel sorry for the ones who haven't experienced a lot of love in their life. I get love from you guys. I get prayers. Amazing to me that it is. I still get them. All I can say is love each other, care about each other. All the trivial stuff means nothing to anyone. Not even you. Reach out, touch each other, help each other if you can. Do I need help? Yes, badly. Have I lived without help? Quite a bit. I mean, I get help from people off here, and it helps so much. I'm so blessed by that. A lot of people don't realize how blessed they are until they haven't got that. Count your blessings, folks. Those, if you bless another, you'll get blessed yourself. I don't mean monetarily. Prayers, love, a kind word. Yes, I could use all those, including monetarily. And I would be so grateful if I got it. Am I used to getting it? No. Take care of each other because that's how you have each other. People are like, well, I've got this family, I've got that family. I've got you guys. That's it. Anyway, if you can help, that'd be great. If you can't, that's understood. But if you can't help, every penny, dime, nickel, whatever you could spare is so appreciated. If not for me, for another. If you can help Muttley, that would be amazing to me. I try best I can. Gotta have another surgery on my shoulder. My tendon is cut. The arm, I can move a little bit as long as I don't try to move the shoulder. But if you can help, I'd appreciate it. God bless you and much love. Have a great day. Bye.